How to log into Raiffeisen Bank International Online Banking Austria. Easy method. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Raiffeisen Bank International Online Banking that is situated on Austria. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Raiffeisen Bank Austria, and you'll get to see the official bank website. And after coming here, you have to just click on the official website and it will take you to this home section. And after coming to this interface, you have to click on the platform logins from this section, and after clicking on platform logins, it will redirect you to this page, and that says digital banking services, my Raiffeisen digital services. Easily log into my Raiffeisen using single sign on and benefit from a growing number of digital services. For example, eKYC, group e account opening, or e-finance. That means all the internet banking solution you have to just log in and use them. So after clicking on login, it will redirect you to this page. And first of all, you have to give the email address you have opened the bank account with. After giving the email address, you have to click on continue, and it will then ask you for the account you have on the Raiffeisen bank. After giving the banking details, you can just click on login, and then it will send you a OTP on a registered phone number. And after giving the OTP, you are good to go, and you are successfully logged into my Raiffeisen login platform. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.